Okay, buddy, I want you to look at the camera when you do this, okay?
One more time.
Happy birthday, Mary!
Woo! Nice job.
Lulu, can you say hi?
Happy birthday.
All right. Okay, give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up crowd over here. Okay,
Thumbs up. All right. Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Okay, very good.
Thumbs
Joshua.
up. Anything nice to say?
Joshua, how much do you like Mary? A lot? Yeah? It's a good thing we didn't come up with a written script, huh, guys? Nope. Oh, good job, Nora. Very
That's so nice.
Do you have anything you'd like to say, Xavier? It's okay.
Mary's taking it all in with joy.
Mary, you having a great birthday? Emma, you'll say something, right? What do you love doing with Mary? Being her best friend. Isn't that
That's
sweet?
awesome.
My friend, what class do you have with Mary? What's your teacher's name? Is Miss Slater the best? That's awesome, man. Okay, we're gonna walk around. We come on around. Now we're on one take, so
We're gonna get the bottom here. Hit the red carpet. We're gonna hit the spread right here.
it's not going so well.
Hit the spread.
Script's kind of falling apart. Okay, Grace, can you say hi to the movie theater camera?
I have a joke.
Oh, a joke.
Joke.
All right, everybody be quiet. Go ahead, Grace.
What's a banana's favorite flexible thing to do?
I don't know.
A
What's-
banana split.
Oh, baby!
Nice.
That
You
was
say happy birthday to
But
me?
I have a joke.
Oh yes.
Okay, guys, listen up. Ava's got a joke.
Oh, I know. Wait.
Okay,
All right, run
go
it.
ahead.
Why did a chicken cross the road back and forth?
I don't know.
To get some exercise.
Oh,
Fire!
man,
You're
that's good.
slaying over here.
Any jokes? Happy birthday.
Thumbs up. We're gonna do a thumbs up. How about thumbs up over here? Okay, that's okay. How does that juice box taste? Is it really good? Okay, an explosion of flavors. And Mama, you want to say anything to?
Happy birthday, Mary!
Let me get down right here. Okay, happy birthday, Mary. We love you so much. All right, film everybody. Okay, everybody on 3. We're gonna yell happy birthday, Mary. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Woo!
Cut it.
Happy birthday,
Okay,
Mary.
we'll
Love
see-
you.
You're gonna watch that.